What's happening, guys? I'm here to show you how to use ExpressVPN to its full potential, and I'll even throw in some tips and tricks along the way. So let's get this ExpressVPN tutorial going. Now, if you already have ExpressVPN, then jump to the How to Use ExpressVPN section by using the timestamps below. If you don't have it, the fastest and most affordable way to get it is by scanning this QR code or by using the discount link in the description. You don't need to type in any promo codes. The best and latest discount is automatically applied. After creating an account, you can download the VPN app directly from their website. Installing ExpressVPN is straightforward, but there's one important step to note. You'll need to enter a unique activation code. To find it, visit the My Account section on the website and navigate to the Setup Devices tab. Once you have the code, complete the remaining ExpressVPN setup steps, and you're all set. Now, after launching the app, the first thing you'll likely notice is this massive Quick Connect button. Once you click on it, you'll be connected to the nearest and fastest VPN server. If you'd like to change your location, just click here, and you'll have the option to choose from 105 countries. Coverage like this provides excellent performance no matter what corner of the world you're connecting from. Another way to connect is by using ExpressVPN's Smart Location feature, which automatically selects the best VPN server location for you based on factors like download speed, latency, and distance. This feature is particularly convenient when you want a quick, hassle-free connection without manually choosing a server. It's ideal for everyday use, streaming, or anytime you need a fast and stable connection. So that covers the very basics of this ExpressVPN guide. But to fully utilize the VPN, there are a few essential configuration steps that you'll need to do. These settings can be found under the Options tab, which you can access by clicking the three lines in the corner. If you're using a mobile device, you'll find this tab at the bottom of the screen. The first thing I recommend checking is the tunneling protocol. Unless you have specific connection preferences, set this to automatic. This allows ExpressVPN to choose the best protocol for your network, which will most likely be lightweight in most cases since it's the fastest option. In our recent tests, ExpressVPN had minimal impact on the internet speed, and I experienced no buffering while streaming content from other countries, which, by the way, this VPN handles exceptionally well. I was able to gain access to plenty of hard-to-access libraries too. Another important step is enabling the kill switch, also known as the network lock. This feature cuts all internet traffic if your VPN connection drops, protecting you from potential IP leaks. In the same settings window, you can also configure the VPN to connect automatically, ensuring you're always protected. Now, some apps like Spotify or the weather widget are better off without a VPN connection. To manage this, you can use ExpressVPN's split tunneling feature. Just go to the settings, select your preferred split tunneling option, and add the apps you want to exclude from the VPN connection. Yeah, it's that simple. One thing to note though, if you're an ExpressVPN Mac or iPhone user, you'll have to roll without it, as it's only available on Windows and Android devices. Now that we've covered the essentials, next in this ExpressVPN tutorial for beginners, let's explore some ExpressVPN features that will be useful in your day-to-day activities. One of these is shortcuts, which is easy to set up. Simply add your favorite apps or websites, and they'll appear on the main dashboard for quick access. Another handy tool is the Threat Manager. To activate it, just check this box right here. Once enabled, it'll protect you from trackers, malicious sites, and even those pesky ads while you browse. But the biggest standout to me is its unique router setup feature called device groups. Typically, when you use a VPN on your router, all connected devices share the same location until you manually switch it. With ExpressVPN, you can divide devices into up to 5 groups, each with its own assigned location, providing greater flexibility across your household. Another additional tool is ExpressVPN Keys, a password manager you can add to your browser. While password managers aren't new in VPN bundles, what makes this one stand out is that it's included in your base VPN subscription. Yes, ExpressVPN is not the most affordable option there is, but its pricing is more than justified if you consider router setup functionality and a full-on password manager at no extra cost. ExpressVPN also offers a browser extension that allows you to control the main app directly from your browser. There is one downside I have to mention though. You'll need to have the main app installed for the extension to work. To get it, simply head to the Chrome Web Store, search for the extension, and click Add to Chrome. The extension mirrors the desktop app's interface, so there's not much new to learn. It just makes accessing the VPN more convenient while browsing. Overall, regardless if you're using ExpressVPN Windows or another operating system, it's simple to use. The apps are quite similar, so once you figure it out on one of your devices, you'll know what's up on the others. By the way, with one subscription, you can use it on up to 8 devices at once, so that should easily cover all that you have and probably even some of your family members or friends. I promised ExpressVPN tips and tricks at the start of the video, so here's my main one. Use ExpressVPN's Refer a Friend system for free subscription time. To do that, log into your ExpressVPN account and navigate to the referral section. Here, you'll find a unique referral link that you can share with friends. When someone you refer signs up for ExpressVPN using your link, both you and your friend will receive an extra 30 days of free service. You can refer as many friends as you like, provided they're not already current customers. For each successful referral, you'll earn an additional 30 days, making it a great way to extend your subscription while sharing the benefits of ExpressVPN with others. Another way to save money is to activate ExpressVPN discount codes. So if you decide you want to roll with ExpressVPN, make sure to use our links from the description or scan the QR code on the screen. All right, to sum up this ExpressVPN tutorial, this VPN stands out as a highly user-friendly and lightweight solution, making it great even if you're a beginner. And if you can't figure out how to use any of the features, you can always come back to this video. That would be all in this ExpressVPN tutorial for beginners, but we've got plenty more tutorials, reviews, and other cybersecurity content. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.